Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe or ingredient, play around with it a little bit to create a whole new dish. So today I'm playing with macaroni salads, in which typically you use like a white elbow macaroni, but today I'm using whole wheat pasta, and I'm going to go ahead and add this here. It's about a cup, and basically you want to cook it al dente. So these are about 7 to 8 minutes in boiling water. Then you pull them out, run them under cold water. That will stop the cooking so they're nice and firm. You don't want them soft, too soft. I'm going to add about a half of an egg. This is about a portion for about one person, 1 to 2 people. I'm going to add a little bit of relish, some carrot, get some salt in there, hit it with some onion, and then I've got some dressing here that's got some mayo, some vinegar, and some sugar. You can adjust your amounts accordingly, but normally it's like 1/3 of a cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar. And there you go. Whole wheat macaroni salad. Pretty, pretty. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.